Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a video collage using InShot application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first of all you can click on a video to create a new project on InShot. You can click on new and then you can just select this blank clip. Click on the blank clip and click on this check mark, and now the InShot project has been created. And I'm going to extend this blank clip. It depends on the duration of your video. And then we can click on the PIP option to add a video and choose a video you want to make as a collage. And I'm just going to pick random video, for example this one, and then we can adjust the position like this. I'm going to move it up. And then we can click on the PIP option again to add the second video. For the second video, I'm gonna go with this one, and then we can also adjust the position. Okay, and I'm going to add 3 videos to this screen. I'm gonna click on PIP, and then I'm just going to add maybe this one guys. Okay, and adjust the position again. Alright, and you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with the result. You can also change the background of your video collage. You can just go to the background right here, and you can choose the background color that you want to apply to your video collage. And I'm gonna go with this white background. Okay, I'm going to move it a little bit right here, just a little bit, zoom in. Okay, and I think it looks good, and then we can click on this check mark. Once you're ready to save it, you can click on the save button to save this video collage to your device. Alright guys, and that's how we can create a video collage using InShot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.